Hello students and welcome back to your maths online class, and this time after 1 week. So I welcome you all. I hope you all are fit and fine. So students, before starting the today's video, I want to give you some instructions. So firstly, pay attention on that. See students, till now in our online classes, I have given you total 19 assignment. That is from day 1 to day 19, total 19 assignments I have given you. And I have told you that you have to solve these assignments in any of the notebook which is available at your home, right? And then after talking to some of the students over phone, I came to know that some of the students have done these 19 assignment in the old notebook of last session. Some of the students have purchased the new notebook, or they were having the new notebook or register at their home, so they have done these 19 assignment in that new notebook. And some of you were not having the new notebook, not having the old notebook also, so they have done the work on the loose pages. See students, what I want to tell you here is that wherever you have done your 19 assignment, you keep your work there only, right? If you have done it in old notebook, new notebook or loose pages, let it be there only. You are not supposed to copy all that work again in your fair notebook. Getting it? Keep the work of all 19 assignment wherever you have started it. Fine. If you have done it in old notebook, let it be there. If you have done it in new notebook, then let it be there. Don't use the remaining pages of the new notebook because I will be using that remaining pages in some other work. I will give you some other work. Okay, so don't worry that you have done the work in new notebook and now I am telling you to use other notebook. Okay, and if you have done in loose pages, let it be. I will be checking the work of these 19 assignment but separately. Okay. Now, the next thing is what you have to do in your new notebook. Yes, new notebooks. You must have purchased your book sets, and with your book set, you have got your new notebook of maths. See, students, in this new notebook, now you have to copy the notes of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Yes, you have to copy the complete notes of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, in which I have solved all the questions of all the exercises of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. And these notes are available on your school website. You can check it on the date of 18th May and 19th May. The complete notes of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 are available there. You can copy that work in your fair notebook, that means new notebook which you have got in your book set. Getting it? Don't copy the work of assignment in new notebook. Let it be there only where you have started doing that work. And please listen the audio clip of 17th May and 18th May. This audio clip will clear all your doubts. I know many of you have heard it, but I also know that most of you have not heard it. So that's why I'm saying please listen that audio clip, then your confusion will be clear. Okay, now keep this work clear that in new notebook you have to copy the notes of chapter 1 and chapter 2, and assignments will remain in the separate notebooks. Fine. Now, let's get back to today's topic now. In my last lecture, I have given you day 19 assignment, right? And in that day 19 assignment, I have given you few questions, and the questions were: question number first, I have given you 3 parts to solve the sums. Question number 2, I have given you one division sum to divide it and then check your answer. And then in question number 3, I have given you 2 numbers to multiply it by lattice multiplication. So today I am giving you the solution of all these questions. So pay attention here and keep this thing in mind, students, that you will not get this video on school website. You have to check this video here only on my channel directly. So see, let's begin with the very first question. So in very first part, it was to add these 3 numbers, and you know, to add the numbers, first of all we have to arrange it in column. So firstly, see, I am arranging it in column 1 2 0 4 0 3. First number I have started writing from beginning. Now second number I will start writing from back side. So 4 9 8 5 6 5. Why I am writing from back side? So that the sequence of the column will not disturb. Now the third number is 2 4 8 2 6 3 2. So this also I have written from back side. Okay. Now after arranging all 3 numbers in column, we will start adding it. So add it from back side only. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 1 carry over, 3 down. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 4 20, plus 1 21. So 2 carry over, 1 down. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 2, 9. No carry over here. So move on to the next one. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14. 1 carry over, 4 down. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carry over, 0 down. And finally 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So your answer is 30,49,139. So this is the answer of A part. Now move on to the B part. So the B part is subtraction. So now again we have to arrange these numbers in column. So see, I have written the first number. Now I am writing the second number under the first number from back side, from ones place. 5 0 9 6 7. Now I have to subtract it. So I will start subtracting from ones place only. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So we will take borrow. So this 6 will become 5 and this 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 8. 8 will become 7 and 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. This 2 will come as it is and this 1 will come as it is. Then put comma. So the answer will be 12,09,770. I hope you have done both these solutions correctly. Then in third part it was multiplication. So for multiplying, again we have to arrange it in column. 18752 multiply by 25. Now firstly we will start multiply by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 1 in the corner, 0 down. 5 into 5, 25, plus 1, 26. So this we will cancel and the new carryover is 2. 6 will come down. Now 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. So we will cancel it and put 3 here. 7 down. 5 8s are 40 and 40 plus 3 is 43. So 4 here and 3 here. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So complete 9 will come here. Now put multiplication sign. Start multiplying it by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So again 1 carry over, 0 down. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. So we'll cancel this 1 and plus carry over 1. So 5 down. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. So again 1 carry over and 7 down. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So this finally 3 will come here and then we have to add it. So see, 0 plus cross is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 carry over, 0 down. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 3 is again 8. 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. So 1 carry over and 6 down. And 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Then you can put your commas. So 4,68,800 is the result of this multiplication. Then the next sum I have given you to divide and then check your answer. And for dividing, firstly we have to make the format of division as I am making it, and it was given in the question to divide it by the table of 205. Here in the rough I have already framed the table of 205. You can frame the table in rough because when firstly you frame the table, then division becomes easy. Okay students? Okay. So now we'll start dividing it. First we will take 3 numbers, that is 370. So the number nearest to 370 in the table of 205 is 205 only, and it comes one time. So we will write 1 at the top and under 370 we will write 205 like this. Okay. Now we will start subtracting it. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. 7 will give borrow to 0. So 0 will become 10 and 7 will become 6. Okay. So like this. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 0 is 6 only. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now this 4 will come down. So 1654. The number nearest to 1654 is 1640, right? And it comes 8 times in the table of 205. So at the top I have written 8 and here I am writing 1640. Now subtract it. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring this 5 down. 145. Now you can see that 145 doesn't come in the table of 205, right? So we will take down 2 numbers. And whenever we take down 2 numbers together, then first of all we put one 0 at the top. So that's why I have put one 0 here and here I have taken 2 numbers. Now I have to search the number which is nearest to 1453 in the table of 205. And you can see the number nearest to 1453 is 1435 and it comes 7 times. So at the top I am writing 7 and here I am writing 1435. Now I have to subtract it. After subtracting, this will become 13 and this will become 4. So 13 minus 5 is equals to 8 and 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Fine. Now we have to check our solution that we have done it correctly or not. And the formula of checking is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes, you can write it in short form here. So dividend in the question is 370453. So we will write 370453 here. Divisor is 205. This is the divisor and this is the quotient. So the divisor is 205 and the quotient is 1807 and the remainder is 18. Okay. So now we will check that our solution is correct or not. So 370453 is equals to, multiply these two numbers. When you will multiply these two numbers, you will get the result as 370435. I hope you must have done the multiplication. So after multiplication, the result must be 370435 plus 18. In this you have to add the remainder 18. When you will add this remainder 18 to this multiplication, you will get the result 370453. Okay. So LHS is equals to RHS. That means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So our solution is correct. So our answer is correct. Okay students, got it? I hope you have done this question correctly. Now the last question of day 19 assignment which I have given was lattice multiplication, and I have already made the format. There were 4 numbers and 4 digit number and 2 digit number. So that's why vertically I have divided it into 4 parts and horizontally I have divided it into 2 parts, and then I have divided it diagonally also. So I am starting multiplying it. Pay attention. 4 into 6. So 4 into 6, 24. So 2 will come above the slanting line and 4 will come below the slanting line. Now 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So 1 will come above the slanting line and 6 will come below the slanting line. Now 1 into 6 is 6. So 0 will come above slanting line and 6 will come below slanting line. Then 1 into 4, 0 will come above slanting line and 4 will come below slanting line. Then 7 into 6, 42. 4 above slanting line and 2 below slanting line. 7 into 4, 28. 2 above slanting line and 8 below slanting line. 2 into 6 is 12. 1 above slanting line and 2 below slanting line. And 2 into 4 is 8. So 0 above slanting line and 8 below slanting line. So like this you have to do the multiplication. Remember, you have to multiply this number by these both number, then again this number by both, this number by both, and this number by both. Like that you have to do the multiplication and keep on writing the result in the format of the lattice multiplication. Now, after multiplying, we have to add it according to their slanting parts. So first of all, this part, it will be 8. Make a circle on it. On each single digit number, we will make the circle. Now here, second slanting part, 8, 0, 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will be writing 10 here, but we will draw the circle on digit 0 only, because this 1 will be carry over to the next part. So here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So here 9 plus this 1. So 9 plus 1 will give you 10. Again we have to circle 0 only, and 1 will be carry over to the next slanting part. And it is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. So 16 plus 1 of this part. So 16 plus 1 will give you 17. So from 17 we have to circle only 7, and 1 will be carry over to the next part. And the next part is 4, 1 and 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So firstly you will write 5 plus this 1. So 5 plus 1 will give you 6. So make circle on it because it is only single digit number, and at the top it is digit 2. Single digit, so you have to make circle on it. Now therefore the multiplication of 4172 into 64 is equals to, what will be the result? All the numbers, all the digits which are circled will be your result. So the digits are 267008. So this will be your result. Okay students. So this was the solution of your day 19 assignment. Okay. So I hope you have done these solutions. So just check wherever you have done these solution and keep it there only. Okay. So that's all for today. Now I will meet you back in the next online class. Till then, please take care of yourself. Okay students. Bye bye. Thank you.